Kuya Robbie. Wait, Sir Robbie.
Bakit lumala? Lumala.
I mean, you enjoyed doing Time to Dance with Jella. What's the greatest advice as one of the most sought after hosts? highest paid.
Para ako naman susunod na magkaka-tribute dito. Pa-tribute na yung ano.
Ayun ba, what's the greatest advice that you want to give to Jella now that she's embarking career then as a host?
It's something that I have noticed at konti lang kasi sa mga gustong mag-host yung may ability na sasabihin ko na meron si Jella. I think it's that ability to listen. Listen soundly to not just to yourself, but not just to your subject, but also to everything that's happening right now. Kasama ko actually, I owe it heavily sa Mix. When I was still a VJ, when we were still VJs ni Ai, and yun ang tinuro ng Mix sa amin, paano makinig ng mabuti. And I think she has what it takes to be a host.
Thank you, Kuya. What is next na, no? Mix VJ.
Mix VJ?
Actually, diba?
Actually, pinupush ko.
Yes.
VJ Jella.
Oh.
Sounds nice.
I will try.
Yes.
If given the opportunity, why not?
Go!
Because of Kuya Robbie and Ate Ai.
Wow!
We'll be looking forward po for that. And my next question po, since, ayan, from advice ni Sir Robbie, and then advice from Jella naman po, Sir Bibi, and kay Ken, what's the 3 things that a dancer should always keep in mind before performing on stage?
First is...
Hindi ikaw, Robbie!
Answer mo lang.
Oo.
For performance, no? Well, number 1, if you're really putting in hours to your craft, the end product of it is, of course, to showcase it. So if you have that, you have to be grateful, and with that gratefulness comes the excitement and the readiness to be able to share what you've been working hard for. So yeah, number 1 for me, maybe the other 2 can go. You guys can give it, no? But for me, that one thing should be just the pure joy and gratefulness that you have an opportunity to showcase and perform. Kasi not everyone's given the chance. So if you have that, it's very normal to may konting anxiety and takot. But that also shows and gives you an idea how much you want something, which is performing. Pagka medyo may konti kang kaba, dun mo malalaman na mahal mo talaga yung ginagawa mo. So you just enjoy that whole ride.
If I were to say 3 things, I would say every time I do this din before I perform, the first thing I do is let go. I let go of everything from the past, all the rehearsals, all the practice. Kasi if you think about those things, those are the things that will, parang you think twice on stage, you think twice while you're trying to remember your moves, and then that leads into the second thing that I remember is trust. I let go, and then I trust the preparation that you've done. When you trust yourself and you just trust and you have faith that you've done your part, everything else will come. That leads into the third thing na huwag ka mag-expect. Once you're there in a stage, once you're performing, don't expect anything like, you don't expect that you're gonna win, don't expect that you're gonna do bad. Kasi pag walang expectations, you're able to give your true heart and to be genuine on stage for people to interpret however they want.
For me, there's 3 things I really live by. It's kasi as someone who's an overthinker, grabe ako mag-overthink. So, I think those who have anxiety can relate to me. Na first, do it scared. Do it alone. Do it alone. Do it scared. Do it with pride. Just do it. So, yun, like what Ken said, just trust your body. Kasi if you know that you rehearsed enough, if you know that ginalingan mo sa rehearsals and sa practice, sa training, lalabas at lalabas yun on stage. Yun po. So it's really just to trust and to just let go. Just do it when you're there. Yun po.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Preparation is key. Thank you so much, Nika. And now let's go to Bix Buzz. Ay, sorry, Bix. May scramble ka pa dyan. Sorry. Pero ang sarap. Alam mo, gusto ko talagang
Sumakto.
umavail yan mamaya.
Pangatlo na nga ni Bix yun.
Oy, grabe ka. It's time to eat.
Oh, yeah. Time to enjoy. Okay.
Let's go, Michael Almazan.
Hello,
We love
guys.
you.
Pero congrats sa nakakaabang ka bang to sa weekend. Pero ang una kong tanong ay sa legendary pagdating sa hosting. Si Robby. Robby, may sikreto ka ba na kumbaga ang ganda ng rapport mo sa mga nakakasama mong host? Kasi iba-iba yung mga nakakasama mong host, pero lumalabas yung magandang rapport ninyo.
I don't know. Wala akong sekreto talaga. It's more of, I really enjoy what I do. Actually, two things. I love what I do, and I listen to my wife. So, yan yung, I think, mga ibang mga bagay, or dalawang key reasons why this happens. Especially, kunwari, may nangyari sa set or may hindi pagkakaunawaan with someone. Hindi naman dito sa programang ito. But yun, I tell my wife everything and she tells me, oh, process mo muna yan. And then, ganito gawin mo. Okay. And then I do it. Okay na. Okay na.
Pero ano pakiramdam na isa ka sa mga gusto ng mga host na makatrabaho? Iba't ibang host, pag tinatanong sila, ikaw yung sinasabi nila isa sa mga gusto nilang makatrabaho.
I feel honored and it's the same with me. Gusto ko rin sila makatrabaho.
Wow.
Galing sumagot ko. Perfect answer, lalo na yung wife. Perfect.
Wow.
Sorry.
Wow. Eddie, wow.
Well-trained.
Pero Jella, si Robby ba generous na pagbibigay ng advice?
Naku, ayan na. Sabihin mo lahat, Jella, huwag ka mahiya. Oo.
Kasi nag-asa ko kay Robby, hindi ako sinagot.
Yes, super. As kanina I said, I wouldn't be the host I am now without Kuya Robby. As in, since siya po yung kasama ko ngayon sa simula ng journey ko na to, I will always, he will always be close to my heart.
Wow.
From the moment we started Time to Dance. And I said that to myself as in I took note na sobrang mataas na respeto ko kay Kuya Robby watching him, pero mas tumaas pa nung nakasama ko siya as a host on stage.
Pero saan ka mas na-charge? Ano masasabi mo?
Salamat.
Actually, pati sa akin,
Generous din siya.
Kung makaturo ka, akala ko may gawa ko masama.
Kuya Robby gives me advice din kasi if you're judging, diba, it's talking. So there's a lot of times, and everyone knows din, nahirapan ako sa Tagalog. So he's always giving me advice if I'm saying enough Tagalog, if I need to focus more on being not in my head about what I'm saying and stuff. So I have a lot of respect for him din talaga.
Pero akala ko na nagbibigay siya ng advice sa pagsasaya.
And he gives
Sila
me
naman.
dance moves din.
Sila naman na nagbigay ng advice. Pero I think I got a follow-up answer to that. I make an effort. Not just inside the studio, pero my work is relationships eh. So even outside work, pagtapos na yung mga taping, yung script, reading, I make an effort na, labas tayo. At doon ko mas nakikilala yung tao. So I think yung nakikita na lang sa screen is the aftermath of all the bonding times na meron kami. Like this guy, si Ken, nakasama ko ng January 1 hanggang 5 a.m.
Wow.
So may mga ganong moments na magkikita kami or kung sino man. Nakasama yung asawa ko syempre. para safe.
Alam mo, hindi halatang takot na takot ka kay Mikey Robby, ah.
Para, ayun lang. Yun, I make an effort for all the relationships.
Akala ko nagyaya ka para sila magbayad.
Pwede rin.
Uy, highest paid to. Kaya na yun.
Totoo naman.
Kaya highest pa rin yung high pa rin yung account na kay Mikey. Ako sa kanya.
Pero totoo naman yun. Pero ikaw, Jella, saan ka mas na-challenge? Sa acting or sa hosting?
Ooh. Oh my gosh. I think po sa hosting, if I'm being honest. I mean, hindi sa madali yung